Hack your body's algorithm. 9 essential amino acids. Hey everyone, I'm Sahil and today I'm here with the most important software update for your body's supercomputer. We often check the specs of our gadgets, but have you ever read your own body's source code? Today we're going to talk about something that's like the very basic code for your body's hardware, that is, essential amino acids. Now you might be thinking, Sahil, what's with this chemistry lecture? Don't worry. We're going to break it down in super simple language. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly are amino acids? You might have played with Lego blocks as a kid or seen the magic of 0 and 1 in computer programming. Just like that, amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Our bodies have a total of 20 types of amino acids that work together to create thousands of different proteins. These proteins help design your muscles, skin, hair, and even your hormones. But out of these 20, 9 amino acids are considered essential. Why? Because our body can't compile or make them itself. We have to download them from outside, meaning from our food. Now, listen to the names of these 9 guys. They sound like names of planets from a sci-fi movie or spells from Harry Potter. 1. Histidine. 2. Isoleucine. 3. Leucine. 4. Lysine. 5. Methionine. 6. Phenylalanine. 7. Threonine. 8. Tryptophan. 9. And valine. Expecto tryptophanum. Just kidding, but their work is truly magical. For example, tryptophan. This amino acid helps your brain make serotonin. What's serotonin? It's our happy hormone. When you meditate or enjoy nature on a beautiful journey, that spiritual peace and happiness you feel, tryptophan helps give it biological support. And leucine? If you're health conscious and sweating it out at the gym, this mechanic called leucine helps repair your damaged muscles after a workout. Now for the main question. Where do we get all 9 of these essential amino acids? If you eat meat, eggs, chicken, and fish are excellent sources of complete protein for you. All 9 of these guys live together in them, just like a joint family. But what about vegetarians? For them, soybeans, paneer, and quinoa are great options. And want to know the most amazing thing? Our traditional and most loved algorithm, dal rice. Yes, dal is missing one amino acid and rice is missing another. But when you eat them together, your plate becomes a complete protein package. This means our ancestors had already figured out body nutrition hacking. So friends, just like you keep your phone's RAM and processor updated, keep giving your body's supercomputer the right protein update. Pay attention to whether these 9 amino acids are in your daily diet. If you found this video informative, please give it a like. Share it with your friends who care about their hardware. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Bye-bye.